I'm going to try making venison dumplings because if you've seen our channel lately, we're all about experimenting and trying new venison recipes because Luke got his first deer. Okay, we already ground this forever ago and it was frozen and I just thawed it out. I'm trying to do this really quickly because it is 9 p.m. and it's almost my bedtime, but tomorrow is Chinese New Year's and it is necessary to eat dumplings on Chinese New Year's Eve. So I need to make this. Sorry, rewind. Tomorrow is Chinese New Year's Eve, which means I'm going to be making these tomorrow. I'm pre-making the filling right now though. While we're at it, I'm also doing a pork one because I can never have too many dumplings. Also, how cute are these bags? You can get them at Cabela's and they have these like little things that you just check off what's in there. They're tiny and real bitch to actually fill them, but they're cute. You can kind of tell which one's which. Venison, pork, lighter color. I have little sticky notes to like not get them mixed up though, because we want to do a good like taste test. Next up, water chestnuts. Give you that little bit of crunch in there. I think I've been doing homemade dumplings for Chinese New Year's Eve for as long as I can remember, to be honest, because it's like a big tradition. They say the more dumplings you eat on this day, the richer you will be. So I just clearly, you know, eat as much as my body allows me to.
I just had images of like, I didn't know that. 24 hours, I can fit like 1,000 dumplings in this body. Am I gonna like get super rich? Is that how it works?
Hopefully.
I didn't know these rules.
This is why I'm doing 2 batches. Boom. Okay.
It's kind of funny. Did you just boom?
Boom. Does anybody watch? What's his name?
Maddie Matheson?
Maddie Matheson.
Maddie eating something.
He is a really funny YouTube channel that like cooks food really good, and he is hilarious. He's like a full-on comedy show if you just watch one of his like YouTube videos. Very enjoyable. Back to what we were doing now.
Boom.
Anyways, we've got fresh green onions going in. Honestly, most people, Asians, will use chives. It's like the same. I mean, it's a little different for flavor profile, but nobody's gonna know. Luke asked me earlier if I feel like I have enough experience to share my dumpling making tips with the online world, because, you know, we often feel like you have to be somewhat of an expert of some sort to share these things. So yes, I have been making dumplings since I was a child. At least 20 years. But no, I've never made venison dumplings, so don't come at me if these taste bad. But like pork ones, guaranteed. It's going to be good. Can't go wrong. Let's get some sauce in this. Go to your pantry. Get all the good Asian stuff. Hopefully you have it all. I'm actually not really sure what this is. It's all in Chinese. Salted cooking wine. I think it's what they call the Shaoxing wine.
Shaoxing wine.
Shaoxing. I don't measure either, so.
That's why I said, like, are you going to be able to do this? You're like, just douse this in there.
Sorry if you're a measuring type, because it's not me, especially not for savory foods. Sesame oil. Light soy sauce. If you have the dark one, also good. Little Magi seasoning, which is actually just like MSG, but like soy sauce. The powdery bits. Get some white pepper. Whew, I can smell it. Burns the nostrils. Some regular black pepper. A little bit of 5-spice powder. And then you just mix it all together. If you're barbaric like me, you just use your hands. I feel like this is the fastest and most effective way to get your dumpling mixture all mixed in. You could use any protein or meat of choice. We've also done it with shrimp. I've mixed pork and shrimp ones. That's also really good. You could just do a mushroom and like tofu if you want more vegetarian. Looking good. These are fairly like wet filling. Sometimes if it's a bit drier, I would add some water to the bowls just so that you get more of that like paste texture. But this is looking pretty good. All right, we are going to let that sit in the fridge overnight and actually wrap these up tomorrow. All right, second day. We are ready to make our dumplings. We've got our marinated meats. We got some dumpling wrappers. Let's do this. So, get your dumpling wrapper. Welcome to the party.
Hello.
We have round ones. You can do round or squares.
The square ones?
I have a little dish of just like water here. Dip your finger. Go all the way around the circle. Just the edges. This helps seal it up. We're going to take some filling. Lucas, do not overfill. Because then they'll split, and that's always annoying, right? Then you just have like dumplings and loose skins everywhere. Okay, so once you have your dumpling in there, there's a couple different folding techniques. Pleated is always nice, where you fold over and squish.
Oh, yes. Not a taco.
A pierogi. Luke's Ukrainian. Maybe he goes by pierogi shaping methods.
Like pierogies, you can still kind of crimp it.
Okay.
Look at that.
Beautiful. Okay, so we kind of are splitting our cutting board so we don't mix them up because we want to be able to taste the differences.
I don't think we're going to be able to taste the difference, which would be great. I mean,
you know what would be smart if we did two different shapes?
Oh.
So let me see if I can think of the other ways.
What are the other ways? Yeah. Or the number of pleats.
The number of pleats.
Oh, I forgot to wet first. Rook move here.
It's okay.
Rook.
It's not too late. So some people like to do this, squish, and then like almost fortune cookie-ish.
Oh, yeah. That looks good.
So, or tortellini.
Tortellini.
Again, really squishing those edges so we're not losing all of our fillings.
Do you remember when we just tried to make homemade pasta? Because we watched a Netflix documentary on it. I don't even remember the name of it, but it looked so good. And we're like, oh, we should really try like homemade pasta. They hyped it up. They're like, this is the best way to eat pasta. That's my terrible Italian accent. Mm-hmm. And it wasn't that good. Like, it was good, but it wasn't like amazing.
So we've got our second way of folding. Very cute. I find this holds sauces nicely.
Sauces.
So should I do the pork ones like that? And you're doing the venison
ones?
Do
the pork ones like that.
With the pleated?
I don't know if I can handle that.
Changing it up?
Yeah.
It's too much pressure.
Yeah, exactly.
So we've got our venison. Drop him in boiling water. We're just going to mix in these guys. Let's hope that they all stay in their little dumpling packs. Okay, we said we are going to do some pan fried.
Oh, is that the mom that's mama that we don't know?
Yeah, we really like this spicy chili crisp.
Nice. It's probably done, eh? Oh,
Hurry up.
hold on. I gotta like warm this.
What? You're gonna like break the jar. It just came out of the fridge. What? What's that saying? Don't do as we do, say as we do.
Oh, yeah.
Say what we. What is the saying?
Oh,
Don't do what we say. Okay.
oh, it smells so good.
What's the saying I'm trying to think of, hon?
Do what we say, not as we do.
Okay.
Do.
That's what I was trying to say. Oh,
Okay,
that was a close call there. We almost didn't make it.
that was tough.
I don't know what we didn't make it for, but we
I
almost
really
didn't.
think that the heat at the end salvaged it.
Soya sauce. All right, are you putting those in there?
Yeah, I can.
Drop them.
Oh, that smells so good.
More. That does smell
Two more?
so good. Yeah, give her. Thank you. Want a few more in there?
Will they fit?
Yeah. You want that to absorb all that chili paste I just put in.
I guess.
If you don't like spice, you could have just done like oil and soy sauce, maybe some garlic. Oh yeah, they're crisping up here. Okay, let's serve up, get our noodles, get some dumplings, and ring in the new year.
You want to go straight into the Venny, huh?
Yeah, I'm not even gonna dip it. I just want to see what it's
Okay.
like.
Oh.
Here it is.
Oh, good. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh,
Tastes so good.
it's so, yeah, it's good.
What? Were you gonna say something
It's
else?
salty from that like sauce.
Oh, I like it.
It's good though. You wouldn't even know.
Mm-hmm.
You like those are beef. And I'm like, all right.
Yeah. Okay, porker.
Okay. Maybe the one I just had was super salty.
Sorry.
That's okay. It's because you just wing it. And this one, but like less salty.
Mm.
I'm good.
I think I like the pork better.
I think I do too.
But just like, I think the venison is just really lean.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I just mixed up a little bit of red vinegar and soy sauce to make a little dumpling sauce. I think you'll like that.
Oh yeah.
Should we try a plain Jane one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, is that your massive one?
Oh, where is it?
Right there.
Oh yeah.
There was like a bunch of, we tried to make a mega at the end.
Dibs.
Oh man, these really like stuck together.
Yeah, I take them both.
Whoopsie. So this is what it looks like if you
Mega.
don't pan fry it.
Megalodon.
It's bursting. The venison with this vinegar like complements really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Big fan.
Mm-hmm.
I like either. And the noodles are just a bit of a filler. They're not the star of the show.
Mm-hmm. This is good. Good job.
I'm glad that worked out. More venison recipes. Thanks for getting us a deer this year.
Yeah, no problem. No problem.
Okay, we'll see you guys next time. Happy Lunar New Year.
Well, hi, Pastor.
Go ahead, Fat Joy.
I hope you get rich.